Okay, I want to teach you how you can print data with date format. Data that has date format, like something of this nature, something like this now. How to create data with date format. How can you do something of this sort? This is what you are going to do. For example, this is your data. You can see it. This is data with a date format. You can see them. This is your data with date format. You can see the missing value here. These are the missing value. These are the missing value. You can see them. These are the missing value. I hope you can see them. These are the missing value. Then how can you see this missing value that you are seeing here? This is what you are going to do. It's very easy because the dates are different. We have October here, we have May, we have January, we have February, we have October again, we have February, January, we have April, we have November. So the dates are mixed up. They are not in ascent, they are not in order. So what you should do in this kind of a case is first of all, you highlight everything here. You highlight all the dates down and go to filter and sort and filter A to Z. Expand selection, yes. Expand selection, yes. Now your date now is now arranged in ascending order. January, February, February, February like that. Can you see now? It's like it's the same. Can you see now? Then without the missing value now are at the bottom. Then what I'm going to do now, this missing value now are at the bottom. You can see now is you have January, the last one. But if you do it like this, there are some values that are not only January that are missing value. If you fill it down, you're only going to have only January here, which is not supposed to be. Then let's return back to original data as it was from the beginning. October now. Let's how do you fill it? From how do you fill here now? You click on the next one and click on this place here, or you highlight that place like this, these two places, highlight these two places. You go to this place called fill. You fill down. Can you see it? You fill it down. Or another way, you click on this place here, this dark place, pull it down and drag down. You see. The next thing here is to one by one, fill it. If you don't want to do it like that because the dates are not the same, they are different months. So one by one. But in case of they are much, they are much, they are many, then we are going to use this is what you are going to what to do. Then you fill it down. You can see now because they are not much, so you fill it down like this. So you are done. You are done with our missed value of the date. This is where you said you have an issue. I hope I have cleared it. In the other part, if you want to do the other part now, what you should do is you highlight it. You highlight everything here. Highlight everything here like this. Highlight up everything you see here. Highlight up. Highlight up. Highlight everything. Highlight all your data here. Highlight all your data. And then you go to your find and select. Go to special. You will see blank. As usual, you type unknown. Unknown. Control enter to fill them up. In this case here, you can choose. I can choose any value of my choice. I can try to choose 10 as my. I can try to fill it with 10. Fine. Go to special. Blank. Okay. I will just use 10. I will just use 10 as my missing value. Here as well, you can also use find if you want to find the missing value here. I will say okay, let me just use something like the 18537. I can use that. You also have it here. 1830 can fill in any value of my choice. That is one thing about missing value. You can also find the average value or you use the nearest value there. Find the average first, then you can get it. But I'm filling it with the value just to teach you a lesson something. That's it for now. Okay, let me just use the average. To find the average value of this, I press equals to average, the average, then average of from here down the average value here equals to the average value now is can you see 174 something. That is the average value. I also find the average value for this one as well. I will first of all equals to average, then here total stays down to the last one here, enter. Then for total stays, this one is for unit price. Then for east, west, north, south, east, west, north, south, as you see now. If I want to fill it now, I can use east. How many east do we have here? East is one. I will just use east. Let me just use this as my filling value. For this one that is unknown, I can use this as my filling value because in the data we have not. When you are analyzing, the unknown will not be classified in any part of the area. So we can use not, can use east as our missing value. I just type the missing value blank special. I will type east, control enter. That is all. This faithful laptop that I use or no is when you don't know in the area of customer, you can also use or no as well. Customer area, the missing value here, you can also use or no to have any missing value. Find out the place, go to special, blank, okay, just type unknown, control enter. That is all. Now let's fill this one out. Highlight it down, highlight this down, and use 174 the rest. Yes, control special, blank, the blank value 174229. Control enter. Okay. Then the other one is delete. How you can do your mistake value, how to find mistake value. The next one is you enter 1171486. Control enter. Then we are done with our mistake value. How will you know if there is missing value in your data? If you have not done it, how will you know? You come here, press equals to, press count blank to count number of missing value, count blank, and select all your data A to Z and see if there is any missing value in your data. Let's check. Missing value is 0. Our missing value is 0. So that means we don't have any missing value. So I hope you know how to fill the date now. When you have a missing value with date, you just use fill. You use fill method by clicking on this black space and drag down. This black space and drag down. You click on this black space here and this place here. Can you see this black space? Then you drag down. Here you hold your mouse and drag it to the next one that is blank. That's how you can do missing value for date. So I hope you understand the lesson clearly. So I'm going to teach you our next lesson that will be pivot table for data analysis.